Hello guys, how are you guys doing today? Thank you for joining me again for another video. Hope you guys are all well. For today's makeup tutorial, I'm going to be reviewing the Huda Beauty, the new Huda Beauty Power Bullet lipstick, and the lipsticks looks like this. You must have seen this on Instagram everywhere. I've done a review on the Powder Bullet lipstick before, but this one were the like the holiday collection, like a lip swatch of this one before on my YouTube channel. I'm going to leave the video up here if you've not seen that video. And on that video I was saying that they need to like do a matte formula of this lipstick because this one has like glitter, it's like metallic and glitter to it. So this one launched on the Christmas, I think, holidays period. So guys, on that video that I reviewed the first Powder Bullet lipstick, that the holiday collection lipstick, I was saying that for those who don't like metallic glitter lipstick, that this particular lipstick is not for them. I'll link this video at the description bar. And I'm not a type of wearing like metallic or glitter lipstick all the time. I do it like once in a blue moon as a lip topper or as a touch up or something. So I was like, they need to come out because the formula of this lipstick was very creamy, long wearing, very soft on the lip. I was like, they need to come out with like a full collection lipstick. And Huda Beauty listened to like review and they did it. I know they must have had it in mind to do it, so they did it. They came out with the lipstick, the Power Bullet lipstick. I'm always saying powder, sorry, Power Bullet lipstick, and it comes in 8 shades. What I'm going to do is, as usual, I'm going to swatch the 8 shade on my lip. I'm going to leave the name of the shade on the video, swatch it on my lip, then I will come back after the lip swatch and tell you my final thought on this lipstick. Okay, stay tuned guys.
Fire, fire. Boy, I want $1 million. Boy, wire. Now you be my own back cover, my girl. You see all my friends living la vida loca. They found bad, oh my lover. Oh yeah. For there for me. When they boy they hunger, I for that for you. But them say if you no get money, hide your face. I hide my face, make another man begin on my race. I love you, know me, say make I put one hand for fire, fire burn. I go put hand for fire. You know me, say make I put one leg for fire, fire burn. I go put leg for fire. Shukura get it in a feel. Shuku shaka or should make her walk in because save a drama. I know need them. Hola, Mr. Lover. I know one wahala. Hola, Mr. Save your drama. For there for me. When they boy they hunger, I for that for you. But them say if you no get money, hide your face. I hide my face, make another man begin on my race. I love you, know me, say make I put one hand for fire, fire burn. I go put hand for fire. You know me, say make I put one leg for fire, fire burn. I go put leg for fire.
So guys, I know you guys have watched the lip swatch of the 8 shade. Let me know what is your favorite shade. My favorite shade of this lipstick is going to be Ladies Night. This shade right here is everything. You can see I'm almost running out of it. I've been using it so much that I'm obsessed with this shade. It's a very nice like wine shade of lipstick, in between red and brown. Just that wine, like that dark red, that wine, like it just reminds me of wine. color is so pretty. Oh my god. And it's very beautiful on dark skin shade like my shade, and it will be pretty on our skin shade. I actually like the lipstick or the lipstick color, like the light shade. I can just apply like lip liner and make it my own. The formula of this lipstick is very soft on the lip. Like, you just have to go try it. You just have to go try one out. It's very soft on the lip. It's like cushion. It's like an expensive cushion, like when you are laying your head on an expensive pillow. It's very soft on the lip. Oh, really soft. And the pigmentation, amazing. And I've worn this lipstick for an event. It's very long wearing, but it will move because it's not matte, it's creamy. It's a creamy base lipstick, but it can be long wearing on your lip. But when you eat something oil based, it's going to move. But when you just like drink water, the lipstick is very long wearing, but it's not full on matte. It's very moisturizing on the lip. It does not dry out your lip. If I'm going to wear this lipstick, I'm going to apply like a lighter shade to ombre it up on the inside. But let me know your thoughts on this lipstick. Let me know what you think. If you are going to buy this lipstick launched on the 14th of this month. So if it's out before uploading this video, I'm going to link it at the description bar where you can get it. The kiss method. You can see there's a transfer right there, but not a lot of transfer. But there's a transfer and the product is still on my lip, so it's not full on matte. Yeah, I really like this picture of her. Okay, that's all I have to say. Let me know if you have any more questions about the product at the comment section as usual. Thank you so much for watching this lip swatch video. If you've not seen my previous lip swatch videos, I will link it at the description bar. Just follow the link, everything is there. Thank you for supporting me. Remember what I say, be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always, and remain blessed. Bye guys.